Welcome to my channel. Today we're unboxing something special, a completely sealed iPhone 4 from 2010. I honestly can't believe I'm about to do this, but we're gonna open it up and see what it was like back then. Alright, plastic's off. And wow, look at this packaging. Just clean, simple, white. The iPhone 4 right there in front. This is how Apple used to do it. Phone first, everything else organized perfectly underneath. The power adapter, earbuds, and documentation. Let me lift this out. This thing feels solid. That stainless steel frame, the glass back. You forget how premium this felt back in 2010. So satisfying. Check out these beautiful minimalist design that actually protects. These shockproof cases safeguard your iPhone against impacts and drops while keeping that clean, aesthetic look you love. Protection doesn't have to be ugly. All links in the description. Alright, so now let's see what else we've got in here. Here's the SIM ejector tool. Same tiny metal pin they still use today, honestly. And look at this. Actual printed manuals and documentation. When's the last time you saw this much paperwork in an iPhone box? There's like warranty info, setup guides, even some stickers, I think. So we've got the classic 30-pin dock connector cable. Remember when every Apple device used these? And here's the little USB power adapter, the tiny white cube. These were so much smaller back then. The original Apple earbuds, the old ones before EarPods, before AirPods. Just basic white earbuds that came with everything. Check out how flat this is compared to today's phones. No camera bump, just completely flat. And it's so much smaller, fits perfectly in one hand. Oh, and look at this, a headphone jack. Moment of truth. Pressing the power button and let's see if this thing still works after 15 years.
Wow!
Alright, so I just went through the whole setup process. But here's the thing, most of these apps don't work anymore. Like, at all. The App Store is basically broken, social media apps won't connect, even Safari struggles with most modern websites. But the iPhone 4 can be still useful like a good digital camera. For its time, the picture has a great detail. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. What old tech do you want to see me unbox next? I'll catch you in the next one.